guys, it's me, Kimberly, and my tia Zaira, and today we're eating churros. And what is it? In the other cereal, it's mixed with
Capitan Crunch.
Captain Crunch. You can say that in English, but it's in Spanish. But let's get started and let's go show you how it looks like.
Like this. It is good or bad?
Good.
And then what you doing?
Huh?
And next what you do?
Show you my snack while I'm taking at school and my new clothes, right?
What grade you want first?
Here.
Oh, I thought you first.
No.
You're not third? Where you go? She said yes. Six?
No fifth.
No, you said you like this. You did like this.
Okay, you put it in zipper. You sure they're so good.
It's bad. Not good.
Show them the box. It's in a 99.
No,
Yeah, in a 99.
no, the other tree.
No, in a 99. That's
Ah.
a cheap.
99, yeah.
In Dollar Tree, that's where I buy my snacks at. Either my water bottle. And keep watching my videos. We will show you our pool tomorrow, right, Jim?
What?
Our pool tomorrow.
Wow. And then,
Mama.
give it to Mel.
Okay, and then you can have a little bit milk. Let's it. Okay. Let me see. You put it in like I can throw it. I'm going to throw.
Are you done, Kimberly?
Close. I want a little bit more of this. Yeah. That's yours.
Uh-oh. I spilled milk on me. Here.
And you might thinking why my aunt keep being here and do you think she's sleeping over and she's coming over? No, right? She lives here. So every single day I go her, oh, can we do a YouTube video? And she's like, yeah.
But yeah, sometimes you want one day, three videos at the same time in one day.
But actually,
Yeah, but it's only one per day.
if you don't know who's Ashley, go check another video that dance battle. You will see me and then my little cousin Ashley.
With the nails too.
She had her nails at Amy too. But like it,
But not anymore.
but I took them off.
I'm done.
I'm drinking my milk.
You done? Okay, what you say and just go.
Get started in the video.
We'll start the video. What?
I'm coming back, hi.
This is go, people. Bye. Bye.
I can bring my clothes here.
Okay, look at the mom. Look at the mom. I'm sorry, she coming, okay? Come on, Kimberly. You spill milk.
Okay, done.
You spill milk.
Oh, where's something?
Wait, I'll ask your mom.
Oh, they're right there.
No, I said your things. Go find your mom.
Tomorrow has school, guys. So I'm just doing this really quick before I go to sleep right there.
Yeah.
So like, do I place it, the clothes right here?
Yeah, go.
Okay, I already bought it.
Okay. Hold on, I'll change the camera.
If you can't see the clothes, I'm sorry. We're getting everything hairy.
Look.
This is the clothes. This is my favorite
Espérate.
shorts to take at school. These are my favorite shirts at school. It has glitter. This little glitter, big glitter. And then next one, we have these nice shoes.
Okay.
And then we have this flower one. It's like those shorts.
You taking the school?
Yeah, my mom said I can take them to short. It's cool.
You
And
take
then-
2 minutes for school.
Yeah. Huh?
You will take that and that for school and this one?
No.
Oh, you picking?
There's this one. Oh, it smells good.
Oh yeah, it's more like.
And this one has unicorn. A unicorn. If you can see the unicorns, they're right there. This is one of my favorite ones.
There you go.
And then I have my next one, my jeans. I have this jeans. And it has a bow on it. Next, pants. Have this this stretchy pants. It's like a gym pants, but it has glitter. Look at this glitter. It's like a rainbow glitter. He said no. He said no. It's not rainbow.
Oh, Dylan's here.
Yeah, this one's right there. A unicorn. Pretty. This is one of my favorite. Oh, the lights turned off.
Sorry, guys.
Mom,
The
maybe
baby-
don't touch it. Don't touch the board.
No, Dylan.
Dylan, no.
Say, quítalo de ahí.
And he has the Minecraft.
Okay, go faster.
Okay.
And this one?
This one who say sisters, besties, sisters.
No, team sister.
Yeah, team sisters.
Okay, go.
And then this one.
No, Dylan.
This one has Jampoline.
Okay. Okay, go.
And then this rainbow one. Who has rainbow. There we go. And this nice little unicorn shapes in it.
Oh, shape.
You know, look at unicorn.
Shape.
Shapes, yeah.
You said shape.
Okay, this unicorn. I
And
like
then?
this one. And then
And you take this one too?
yeah, I'm taking these
No.
no, these are pajamas. These are my new shoes. Let me show you for my snack. I'm taking over there.
Oh, go here, yeah. Run. Like a monkey. Yeah, she will take that for school and the snack she come later, right now. Sorry, guys. She buy a lot of things. I don't
Yeah,
know.
like seriously. I buy these in Target, the clothes. Either the shoes in Target.
Oh my God.
And I have this pink water bottle I buy in Dollar Tree. If you want to buy a spend like a cheap water bottle, go to Dollar Tree. It has pink and white. And Donald Duck, purple,
Great.
grape. Donald Duck.
Okay, go.
Buy that in Dollar Tree. And I buy Takis and Dollar
Walmart.
Tree. No Takis.
Oh, Dollar Tree.
And yeah, that's all for this video right It was
Yeah.
a short video because we didn't have nothing else. We have the churros ones. If you want to buy it, it's in a 99.
No, Step Brothers.
Oh yeah, Safe Brothers. You can buy this in Safe Art.
Step Brothers.
Safe Brothers, and you can get 4 packs in this one. In school, they ask you from this thing. If they ask you that, it has that.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you have a big thumbs up, smash that below, ring that notification down, and subscription. And bye guys.
Bye. See you next video.
See ya.